Julian Webb. I'm a professor in the law school and director of the LLM in Advanced Legal Studies. The Advanced Legal Studies programme is a build your own master's degree. So the great advantage of it is that you can pick any options that you like from within our complete diet of master's level modules, and you can also include some modules from programmes outside the law school as well. And it really is an opportunity to design your own degree in terms of what works for you in your own career development. The range at the moment is very much set around our existing programmes, so around international development and human rights law, international corporate law and finance, and international economic law. So within that quite broad diet of courses, you can really put together a suite of things that either reflect quite divergent interests, or they may reflect a set of themes that are really interesting and important for you, and again fit with your career plans, or indeed where you want to go in terms of academic development. Students tend to choose it because they like that flexibility and the freedom it offers, because it may not be a particular combination of options that they feel they can do on a more structured programme, or they don't want to have the constraint of having to do a core course before they pick their options. And this is the only one of our programmes where there isn't a requirement to do a core module. The range of assessment is wide. Because it's a master's level course, we don't put as much emphasis on examination as a lot of undergraduate courses do. So a lot of the courses will rely on different kinds of written coursework, which may be essays. There may also be other written type of project work, and of course if you're doing it up to master's level, then there is a requirement for a dissertation. Students who've done the Advanced Legal Studies programme really are equipped for a whole range of options. There isn't, if you like, a single career path or pattern. We've had one student who's gone on to train in a regulatory role with a large national regulatory organisation. We've got other students who've used it as the first step to going on to do further academic study. Others going into the commercial sphere or using it to strengthen an existing specialism. The Warwick campus is probably one of our real selling points. I was a postgrad student here myself a long time ago, and it's developed hugely since then. So there's a lot of activities, there's a lot of social and cultural life with the Arts Centre and other facilities that take place actually on the campus. So it really is like living in a small town. There's a lot of general interest societies run by the Students' Union. There's always public lectures and events going on around the place. There's plenty of eating outlets. So really a lot of options and a lot of opportunities available on campus to develop socially as well as academically.